Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. Here's a video of a install we've done on a Volkswagen Polo, an early one. We've fitted a DMX8021DABS and a speaker upgrade in this. Brings it up to the latest technology. As you can see here, we've got Apple CarPlay showing on here at the minute. You have got on here digital radio now with DAB aerial in the glass there. We've got Android Auto and we've got Apple CarPlay. It's also got camera input, front dash camera input as well. As you can see here, you've got all the facilities you'd expect. If you'd like to have this done in your Volkswagen Polo, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.